spot-billed pelicans. From Eastern Europe, we have the Dalmatian pelicans. Coming over here, guys. Also from Africa, the beautiful ladies in pink with the long, sexy legs. Give it up for the greater flamingos. Last but not least, we have the gorgeous locals from South America, coming from out there and there. Wow, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our grand finale of us. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now with that, we've come to the end of High Flyers. You're more than welcome to come on down and take pictures of these beautiful birds as our trainers usher them back home. Now in a short while, we're inviting all of you to be on stage, taking pictures with another group of flamingos using your camera for free. So do stay on.